So there's not very many parts left of the Silver Jubilee now. Most of the cab stuff has been put back together again, bit done to the chassis. So that's the cab, looking pretty tidy sitting there. There's a few wires that be connected under the dashboard. The inside of it's all put back together again that we can put back in. Probably before we set this cab back on again, I will make sure to give it a good cavity wax around all the areas that we're not get when the cab is on the tractor. Nice Goodyear tyres. The centre's bolted back together again. The rears is bolted back together again. The seat is all bolted back together again. A nice Boston Viking 303. Next job will be set the tanks on. That'll be first thing in the morning. And that's what the skid unit looks like now. There's been a few bits put back on again, but not a lot on the front. We've mainly just put all the stuff on the back together again. We're sitting on the cab, which won't be as easy got to when the cab's on. She looks pretty well. It's all fun when you're putting the tractor back together again. Like, you don't get dirty, you just clean all the time. And there's no dust. So that's a 7, 8, 10. Next job will be get the cab on and get it connected up.